learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're bringing you to different places because you have a vacation, because you have some time off. 其实这个主题就很好玩，很轻松，因为都是要问你要去哪里玩。Okay.
我去哪了？
我去哪了 Very simple question. Okay. 很多时候放假或者是请假，就是为了要出国嘛，旅游、散散心、看看这个风景等等，或去 shopping。
要 shopping 要有 money 啊！
我跟你讲，日本现在去也不错的时候啊，
因为日币荡下来了。
对对，加上又可以去赏花，然后这个天气也不错，对不对？好 ，Let's bring you abroad to a different country because you have some time off. 我下礼拜要出国 ，Next week I'm going abroad. I'm going out of the country.
我下礼拜要出国。
我下礼拜要出国 ，OK？
或者可以说，我下20礼拜要出国。
我下20礼拜要出国。
对，
怎么多一个你在里面啊？
就下2个礼拜。
下2个礼拜，那就下个礼拜啦。
对，其实它是下礼拜。
哦，真的吗？
真的，就像我们常常会说，下次见面啊，下礼拜见面，下礼拜就第2次了。我们这次见面是第1次了，我们下次见面就变第2次。
所以这个礼拜算是1，然后下礼拜算是2就对了，有点那种感觉。
对
，Very interesting. Okay, in Hakka, when you refer to next week, you can say next week, or you can say the next week number 2, and number 2 actually just means next week. Okay, the natural response 当然就会好棒啊！你要去哪里玩 ？That is so cool. Where are you going to go?
很好哦，
很好哦。
我去哪了？
我去哪了 ？Okay, that is our theme of this month. 很好哦，就是好棒哦，很好。All right. 那我刚刚讲就干脆去日本嘛，哈。
OK.
这时候去日本呢也蛮舒服的，所以我们要去日本。
我去日本。
我去日本。OK, 日
本。
听有嘛哈 ？That's Japan, of course.
对，那海陆腔日本。
日本。That's a different dialect for referring to Japan. All right, it's time to review some of these vocabulary. Like next week, 下礼拜, there are 2 ways to say it.
下礼拜
or
下20礼拜
20礼拜 Okay, 出国呢？
出国
That means to go abroad. And finally, 日本
日本
And it's all about where do you want to go and have some fun. 你要去哪里玩呢？
我去哪了？
我去哪了？ And wherever you're going, you can bring your Hakka to that place now. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么台嘎？
俺是say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.